So the high tide last night came right up to the pathway here. A lot of seaweed blowing in with the southeast, but strong tropical storm force southeast winds. Just a little bit of the beach erosion. This is going to change everything. We're going to get new sandbars. A lot of the beach has been washed back into the water. You can see the beach, all the beach erosion right up here. This is a beach that is normally flat, and we have lost probably 12 to 18 inches of beach up at the top area here, but down to the waterline there's probably 2 to 3 foot of beach just gone, washed into the ocean. This is the reason why we don't destroy our beach flora, because it roots itself and holds on to the sand and holds on to the beach. You can see right here how it's held on to that beach, the sand. It's formed a barrier so we don't lose the sand behind it. And even along the beach, right at the waterline, you see how the beach grass holding on to the sand, preventing everything from being washed away. You can see right next to it, see what happens when there are no roots to hold on. You just lose all of that sand to the ocean. And absolutely amazing to see the community out here today, picking up the debris, the trash, cleaning up the beaches. This is way above the high tide mark on a normal day.
We already found like 20 of them.
Goodness, I just can't get enough of this. This is unbelievable.